Look at that. Oh, our June Gin of the Month box is here, and it is packed full of ginny goodies and treats inspired by the myths and legends of classical civilizations. Our June Gin of the Month is Astraea Gin. Now this is distilled in Seattle. It's inspired by ancient Greek mythology and uses beautiful botanicals like honeysuckle, lemon verbena, and chamomile. We're using 3 cents tonic water and grapefruit and allspice to make a perfect G&T. Our June cocktail of the month is called the Golden Goblet. This is a gorgeous tipple fit for a god or goddess with notes of rose and honey, and we're going to be using Luscombe's Damascene Rose Bubbly to mix it with. I love Luscombe. Mike's Hard Seltzer. Now you'll get one of 3 flavors this month, black cherry, lime, or I've got raspberry. On to snacks, and sticking with the theme, we have Dodoni Heavenly Cheese Thins, tomato and oregano. This looks so good. I'll just be here for a few minutes. Look how sweet this is. iLove Snacks Natural Italian Olives. These are going to be great for aperitivo hour, and I think will go really nicely with the cheese thins as well. These are my favorite flavor of crisp, Darling Spuds, sea salt and Modena balsamic vinegar. Also, look how cool the packaging is. Time for a sweet treat. This is Lindt Nocciolatte Milk Hazelnut Bar. Look at this cute little chocolate bar. Perfect night in. Sorted. And this month's Gin magazine is packed full of heavenly cocktails and hosting ideas for the perfect summer. We hope you're dazzled by this month's box and can't wait to hear what you think. Let us know.